Today in this video I'll show you how can you create unlimited Gmail account. Just follow carefully with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. We'll start by opening your browser and searching for Google Cloud Skills Boost. Open the first website. Once it loads up, tap on sign in right here at the top. Now go ahead and sign in with your Google account. Complete the verification and tap on I accept right here. From this page, go ahead and tap on the three lines in the top left corner and then tap on Explore. Wait for a couple of seconds, scroll down and tap on Format and select Lab, the very last one right here. And then from here, I'll show you what to search for. Go ahead and zoom into these options, scroll down and find something that says A Tour of Google Cloud Sustainability and open it. Now from here, tap on Start Lab right there. And you'll be given a Google account every time you try this method, and you can do whatever you want with it. Here it is, username and the password. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.